The short answer is it's gonna take about an hour and a half to get you out of the building. The oil change itself takes an hour. Then you get the added half hour because most of our dealerships do a complimentary car wash. Don't worry though, you're allowed to opt out of that complimentary car wash so you can save the half an hour if you need it. And if time is a factor, don't forget that we accept any make or model for oil changes at any one of our dealerships. So don't feel like you need to go way out of your way just to get an oil change. The specifics of any factory scheduled maintenance plan can actually be found inside of your glove box in the owner's manual. Keep in mind it changes from make to model, so we do suggest that you check that out. But as a general rule, cars made after 2010, you're going to want to change the oil on them around every 6 months or 8,000 kilometers. Anything made before 2005, it's got a shorter timeline. That's a 3-month or 6,000 kilometer ideal oil change range. It's a commonly accepted fact in the automotive industry that if you change your oil frequently, it can actually extend the life of that engine exponentially. Over distance traveled and time, the oil in your engine, it starts to build up debris because that's what it does. You see, not only does the oil in your engine lubricate all of the moving bits, it also removes that sludge from places that it could cause the engine to overheat or be damaged in the long run. That's why we strongly suggest changing your engine oil on the suggested maintenance schedule. Now don't forget, if you have any questions specific to your vehicle, the owner's manual is probably still in the glove box. If it's not, you can check the manufacturer's website. And if you want a more human experience, just give us a call. Come in, ask us questions, and we'll be able to give you all the answers that you need.